For such a small device, the Essential phone packs in a load of technology. That sentiment extends past its processor, 128 GB of onboard storage, boundary-pushing screen, and onto its battery, which is a respectable 3,040 mAh. We've seen larger batteries in phones of this size, but when you've got a nearly bezel-less screen, space for more battery, or anything, for that matter, becomes a commodity. That said, this capacity helps the PH1 easily reach its day-long target no matter how you like to use the phone. Of course, there are caveats to this. We've heard reports that the 360-degree camera accessory does suck a lot of power from the phone, and in our testing, it really does. Over the course of an hour, using it non-stop tanked the battery from 50% to 0%, and in the process, overheated to the point that it needed to be removed. During our benchmark, the PH1's battery drained down to 78% after playing back a 90-minute FHD video file. This discharge is fairly typical amongst many smartphones, and in our time with the phone, it easily withstood the rest of our day's worth of multimedia demands. If you're an infrequent phone user, we found the discharge to be nice and slow. Expect to get 2 days or maybe more of battery life if you don't utilize many social media or gaming apps. Thankfully, it doesn't take all that long to bring the PH1 back from the dead. It can be powered up at just 1% charge, and it takes 10 minutes to bring it up to 15%. Give it another hour and it will raise up to about 85%. An hour and a half brings it to full charge, which isn't bad at all.